Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most prestigious universities in the world, Harvard. Have you ever wondered what it takes to get into Harvard? Well, you're in luck because in this video we're going to discuss the steps you can take to increase your chances of getting accepted. First things first, Harvard is looking for students with excellent grades. Make sure you have a high GPA, take challenging classes, and aim for a 4.0 if possible. Your grades are the foundation of your application, so make sure you put in the effort. Another important aspect of your application is your test scores. Harvard requires either the SAT or ACT, and they typically want to see scores in the 99th percentile. So make sure you study hard, take practice tests, and aim for a high score. Harvard also values extracurricular activities. They want to see students who are well-rounded and have interests outside of academics. So get involved in clubs, sports, volunteering, and leadership positions. Show that you are passionate and committed to your interests. Your recommendations are another important aspect of your application. Choose teachers and mentors who know you well and can speak to your strengths and accomplishments. Make sure to give them plenty of notice and thank them for their help. So there you have it, the steps you can take to increase your chances of getting accepted into Harvard. Remember, it's a highly competitive school, but with hard work and dedication, you can achieve your dream of attending this prestigious university. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more educational content.